How to heal keratoconus naturally, the eye workout your eyes have been waiting for. Let's talk about eye condition called keratoconus. Sounds like something you would order at a trendy restaurant, but in reality keratoconus is when your cornea decides it wants to take a vacation from its normal shape and go all out on the crazy diet. Instead of being round, it starts to resemble a cone. So how do we heal this? Picture this. Squeeze the air balloon in the middle. Its edges will stretch forward and become thinner. And the same thing with the eyes. The oblique eye muscle squeezed the eyes in the middle. And the eyeball stretch out. You will not believe how simple solution can make a huge difference. Stay till the end. Step 1. Relax oblique eye muscles. Your overworked eyeballs. First things first, if your eyeballs could talk, they would like, help, we're tired and cramped up. Relaxing those eye muscles is crucial. Think of it like giving your eyes a spa day. Cue the soothing music, dim the light and let those muscles stretch and come out from tension. Removing oblique eye muscle spasms is the first step to getting your vision back to track. Picture your eyes lounging on a beach chair, sipping a pina colada and just chilling. Step 2. Diagonal eye stretching to loosen spasmodic eye muscle plus eye rolling exercises. And relaxation. We have to stretch the oblique eye muscle of the eyes. You know that ones that are constantly running the marathon of life by looking close up at the screens. So let's relieve the tension. Imagine your eyes doing a relaxation stretch, maybe some gentle yoga by looking far, or even just a nice deep breath. Inhale. Exhale. Your eyes are saying, just let it go. Trust me, your corneas will be happy once you start loosening those tight eye muscle. Step 3. Strengthen that protein shell. It's like eye gymnastics. Now that your eyes are relaxed, we need to strengthen the protein shell that become thin. I mean, come on, that protein shell should be like a solid trampoline. Think of it as eye gymnastic. We are not flipping, but we are definitely flexing. Strengthening that protein layer is like giving your cornea a power up. Get started with Eyesight Academy eye workout. It's a well-structured eye training program designed to eliminate accommodative spasms and improve eye condition, blood and oxygen, the life force for your eyes. And while we are at it, let's not forget the importance of blood and oxygen. Just like a well-watered plant, your eyes need some good old H2O to thrive. So we need to supply those babies with some oxygen and nutrients. Let's get the blood flowing by doing exercises. Up, center, left, center, right, center, diagonals, circular eye rotation. The more oxygen, the better. Look, see and relieve. Give those eyes a break. So what's the takeaway here? It's simple. Look, see and relieve. It's all about giving activity to your eyes and neck. Think of it as the ultimate combo workout. You want strong eyes. Let's get moving. Eye rolls count as exercise too. If you've been rolling your eyes away from your screen for hours, congratulations. Now you're one step closer to being a keratoconus fighting machine. Your eyes deserve the best. In conclusion, keratoconus may sound like a tricky condition, but with a little relaxation, eye muscle stretching, and proper oxygenation, you can help your eyes heal naturally. Forget the surgery, let's focus on those eye workouts. Your cornea deserves the best, and who wouldn't want to help it out? So give your eyes some love and they will reward you with clearer vision.